I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing a Lush haul with you. I've got some bath bombs and bubble bars and other goodies, so let's jump in. First, I got the Rose Salt Cube, and this has Epsom salt, and it smells like rose. Very cute. Can't wait to use that little guy. Next, I got the Rose Jam Bubbleroon, and see how it's like a little macaroon. There's some cream sandwiched in between. And look at the front. It's so glittery. A glittery, beautiful rose. And it smells like rose jam. Love it. Next, I have Rocket Science. No, look at the jet fumes coming out the back. Oh, he is so cute. And they're discontinuing him. And this guy like jets around your bathtub when you pop him in. And I cannot wait to use that. Next, I got a classic Butterball. And this one is made with cocoa butter and olive oil, I think. Musk, ylang ylang. Very moisturizing. That's a classic. That's Butterball. Next, I have another one that is moisturizing, and that is the Olive Branch Bubble Ball. And it kind of looks like a creamsicle with the coloring, and it's got Lush engraved on it. It smells citrusy. It's orange flower, absolute, and lemon oil. Okay, I like the smell of that. I can't wait to use it. And what do I have? I have the Peachy, what is this, a bath bomb? Yeah, the Peachy bath bomb. And look, it kind of looks like a little heart. And it's got some glitter on it. And it smells like peach. Love that one too. Okay. Then I've got Excavation Bubble Bar. And how cute is this? With the Velociraptor on there. I'm totally into dinosaurs. So of course I had to order 7 of these. Because it's being discontinued. No! But this is an odd combination. It smells like citrus and lemon. I'm sorry, citrus and cinnamon. But I heard this guy turns the bath water green, and I cannot wait. Why are you discontinuing him? It's time for him to become extinct, I guess. So that's Excavation. Next, I have the Scrubby body butter, and I'm holding him like this because he's totally slippery. He's made with cocoa butter and coconut oil. He smells nice too, but he's got these exfoliating beads on his back. Oh, you can't see that. It's like a little bumblebee without the wings. He will leave your skin so soft. And then they gave me a free sample of Ocean Salt body scrub, face and body scrub. So whenever you order online, you get a free sample of something. So this is what it looks like. It's like that pretty, like, sea foamy color. That's odd. This smells like orange juice. I was not expecting orange juice with this color. That smells like orange juice. So that's it. That's what I have for you for this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.